Buddy, how's it going? It's Josh with EduCryptocation, my YouTube channel. I made a video last week on my top 3 ways of making passive income in cryptocurrency. Number 1 was staking, which I did a quick video on staking. You can look at my videos and see that one. This one is going to be the borrowing and lending platforms. I'm going to go over a few of them today. The first one I'm gonna go over right here is Femix, as you can see on my screen. The reason I'm gonna go over Femix is because I haven't really gone over an exchange where you buy the altcoins that you want to stake or any kind of coin that you want to buy besides Bitcoin. They have Binance USD, Chainlink on here, Solana, ADA, Binance. They have everything. DeFi, NFT. Again, guys, nothing in my video is financial advice. It's all non-financial advice, but they do have metaverse, tokens, DeFi. I am going to put the website along with my referral link down in the description. I am not getting paid by any of these websites I'm talking about at all whatsoever. So none of these guys, I'm not sponsored or promotionalized by any of these websites. These are just websites that I use. So yeah, this one's Femix. I will put it in the description in the video. The next one, that's just to buy your crypto, guys. Once I do have a video on how to, the way I do it is I buy my Bitcoin on Cash App, and then I send it to Femix, and then buy any of these tokens I'm trying to get into, and then you send them to wherever you're trying to send them to after that. It's kind of a process, which is why I go through all these videos in detail on how to do that. The second website I'm going to go talk about is Nexo.io. I do use this one. It is a good one. It is you can stake. It's a online staking exchange. Here's the different what's it called, loyalty tiers. The base, silver, gold, platinum. If you have platinum, which means you have at least 10% of your portfolio in Nexo, you pay 0% borrowing rate when you borrow against your crypto. So pretty much you can get a loan against your crypto, your own crypto, not have to sell it and still get your loan against it. And these are the percentages that you pay back based on how many Nexo tokens you have in your Nexo account. You want to do more research on here, it's Nexo.io. I'm going to put this website as well as the referral link in the description. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of these websites. Last one I'm going to do, guys, is Binance.us. The only reason I decided to do this one is because they have a decent staking rewards program where you can stake on the exchange. Again, it's online. Cosmos, Avalanche, Binance, Audio, Solana. They have Cardano. I will put this website. They have VeChain, Binance, Ethereum, and I have Binance.us, which is the referral link I'm going to put in the description. But a lot of my viewers are not in the United States. I'm not quite sure if you can use my referral link for just regular Binance.com or just regular Binance, the app or the website. You should be able to, so I'm going to put my referral link for Binance.us in the description. If you can use it, that'd be cool. If not, it's not a big deal, but I will put all the websites with referral links down in the description so you guys can get extra benefits. It'll help my channel. I've never done this. It's not like I'm begging for promos. I'm not getting paid by any of these people. The best thing you can do to help me out, I'm just a small YouTuber, is subscribe to my channel and like my video, guys. That would be awesome. So these were the 3 sites that I was going to go over today for borrowing and lending for my second way to make passive income on the top 3 ways to make passive income in cryptocurrency. So I'm Josh with EduCryptocation. If you liked the content, guys, please subscribe and like my video, and I will be coming out with more content